Hey everyone, check it out. I'm actually an AI-generated avatar. Pretty wild, right? I can handle a whole YouTube channel without anyone needing to show their face.
Imagine creating videos, presenting, and even growing your channel, all while staying totally behind the scenes.
Exactly. With avatars like us, you can create awesome, engaging content, boost your channel's growth, and keep things super professional, all without ever going on camera yourself.
Stick around and we'll show you how to get started. Your face-free YouTube journey could be just a few clicks away.
Let's get started on creating an AI-powered talking avatar video for YouTube. I'll walk you through each step, so just follow along and you'll be creating your own avatars in no time. Step 1. Create the avatar with a script. First, let's create a lifelike scene for our avatar. Here's the setup. This is the scene script we'll be using to bring our avatars to life. Open your web browser and navigate to designer.microsoft.com. Log in to the website. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard screen. Click on the Create button and select Images. In the description box, paste the scene script we prepared. Then, select the image size. I recommend the wide size to fit YouTube's format perfectly. Click the Generate button. The website will start generating images based on our description. This should only take a few seconds. Once the images are generated, download each image one by clicking on them. Let's take a quick look at the images. Impressive! Each image has been generated in high quality, perfect for our video scenes. Step 2. Transform the images into a talking avatar. Open a web browser and go to Vidnoz AI. This AI platform is fantastic for creating various types of avatars. Log into Vidnoz AI. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which shows multiple template options for different avatars. For this project, we're focusing on creating a talking avatar. Click on the Create Video button, then hover over the Start a Blank button. Select the 16:9 ratio, ideal for YouTube videos. Click on Scene and choose a blank slide. In the toolbar at the top, you'll see an Avatar button. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear with 3 tabs: Avatar Lite, Avatar Pro, and Talking Photo. Avatar Lite contains avatars with background.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
Avatar Pro provides avatars without backgrounds, allowing you to add your own. For our video, we'll use the Talking Photo tab. Click on Upload My Photo and upload the images we downloaded earlier. I'll choose the first image to create the initial scene. Once uploaded, you can change the avatar's name and adjust the gender if needed. There's also an option to remove the background by toggling the background removal button. Click Next to proceed to the editing studio. Now that we're in the editing studio, let's make this avatar talk. Step 3. Adding the script and voice. In the editing studio, paste the script into the speech text box. Now, let's select a voice for the avatar. I recommend the Joseph voice.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
It sounds natural and suits the avatar's appearance. To make it more engaging, I'll turn on subtitles so viewers can follow along with the text. To add more scenes, create a new scene, upload a different image, paste in the next part of the script, and choose a voiceover. Repeat these steps until we have 4 scenes. In this scene, I'm selecting a voice that will suit our avatar best. Vidnoz offers several options, so you can pick a voice that matches the personality or tone you want. For the final touches, if you want to add any stickers, like a subscribe button, just click on the sticker icon and choose the one you want. Any additional features can be selected from the top toolbar and arranged as you like. When everything is ready, click the Generate button to create the video. The rendering may take a moment, so sit tight. Step 4. Review and download. Our video is complete. Click the Download button to save it to your computer. Let's play it back to see the results.
Hey there, I'm your new virtual sidekick, ready to take your channel to the next level. How cool is this? I can do the talking, the presenting, everything without you ever needing to be on camera. Right? Imagine the possibilities. With an avatar like this, you can keep your face off the screen and still make a memorable impression. Perfect for building a faceless channel.
And here's the best part. I'm fully customizable, so you can make me represent your style and vibe. Whether it's tutorials, reviews, or storytelling, I'm ready to bring your content to life.
So, are you ready to take your channel up a notch? Let's get started and let your avatar do the talking.
Amazing! The talking avatar represents our video perfectly. With this tool, you no longer need to be on camera all the time. Your team can create engaging, professional videos with these avatars, making it easy to manage a faceless channel. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more updates.